Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find files that others have shared with you on Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view all files shared with you using the Google Drive app. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need to find that important document someone sent, these steps will make it easy. First, grab your phone or tablet and open the Google Drive app. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it for free from your device's app store. Once you're in, make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you receive shared files. Now, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Tap on the one labeled Shared. This section is dedicated to all the files and folders that others have shared with you, making it simple to keep everything organized and easy to find. Once you're in the Shared section, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been shared with your account. The most recently shared items usually appear at the top, so if someone just sent you a file, it should be right there. If you're looking for something older, simply scroll down through the list. You can also use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name or the person who shared it with you. Tapping on any file or folder will open it, letting you view, comment, or even edit, depending on the permissions the owner has given you. If you need to work on a file frequently, you can add a shortcut to it in your main drive for quicker access later. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can browse and manage everything others have shared with you, all in one convenient place. No more digging through emails or searching endlessly. Google Drive keeps your shared files organized and accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for getting the most out of Google Drive.